Welcome again to our YouTube channel, and for today we're going to get our first vaccine, and yeah, we're going to drive today, guys, and hoping that it's good the effect neto sa atin. So yeah, guys, so we're going to drive today to get our first vaccine. So come with us, guys. So let's start, guys. So Q is here also. Ayan. So we're going to pick up the seats so that we buy, and yeah, so Kiwi is not alone now, and she have friend. And guys, so my husband told me that I'm going to look one, and yeah, we're going to pick up now, guys. So yeah, guys, so see you guys later.
To the DJ Nux on the mix.
Times are late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing.
1 hour later.
So we are here, guys. So dito tayo mag it's too long, the line. So we are here in a line, long line. Gutom na yun. Hindi naman. Kaya tapos na, guys, yung ating first dose. Resting for a while.
On you, it's getting down into my soul that I'm just
back home now, guys. So see you guys later on.
Much later.
Oh my god. Wait, baby, wait. Look at me, Hano. I'm driving. Yeah. And see. Kiwi, stay there. Stay there. So we are almost here now, guys. Just wait, Tisoy. Nanggugulo lang yung ating mga na-stress na, guys, yung ating dog. It's very stressed. Now, Tisoy, you already here? Yes. Almost at home. It saw my arm and make me sleepy.
Much later.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa house and ayan, a bit pain here, but it's all good, guys. So I'm a little bit sleepy when I driving, but it's good because our babies are noisy and it make me alive while I'm driving. Anyway, guys, they're sleeping and they are so tired. They are stressed on our drive on our way. So yun, guys. So it's all good, guys. So we see what is the effect of our vaccine. So I'm a bit sleepy, but it's all good, guys. We arrive home. So yun, guys, so that is our day for today. Hope, guys, don't forget again to subscribe, likes, and share our videos so you can update all our new upload on our channel. So see you guys again on our next video.